Welcome to our beautiful Southeastern State College, home of the Savage Storm. At Southeastern State College, we have our student exchange program where we get to experience different perspectives while structured and historic, not to mention our beautiful, tranquil, and relaxing grounds that all can enjoy, all while nestled in Durant, Oklahoma. Now let's talk about our foods with a large variety of hometown feels. Example, Main Street Barbecue. Craft pies where you get to create your own pizza, sandwich, and a variety of other foods. But that's not all. We have Italian food here at Roman's Italian Restaurant. We also have Opera House Coffee, a place to chill, relax, steady drink, and just get your coffee on. And as far as entertainment, we have our Art Alley. Appreciate local artists and get inspirations to bring out the artist in you. And unique shopping like Trippy Hippie with their vintage vibes. Uwe Gifts with the unique gifts along with creative studios where you can make your own inspired gift. And for those gamers, we have Annex Games, where you can let out a little stress inside by getting your game on. They do board games, video games, and a whole source of social events. Now moving to the outside, we have Downtown Beach, where you can play volleyball, cook hot dogs, hang out with friends, just being outside. So this is not the end, but just the beginning. Come join us here at #RDurant.